Hey friends, welcome. This is Julie. I'm super excited that I'm going to be an instructor for the upcoming Paper Escape Winter 2026 retreat. It's happening on October 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. And in a minute, I'll be unboxing what I have of the physical product that comes in the retreat and platinum kits. We are super excited to be bringing you some incredible classes. And so let's break down exactly what you get with each ticket level. There are some special perks for registering for the free ticket at LV Handcrafted. Signing up grants you access to exclusive freebies, a giveaway entry, early notifications of event happenings, and an invite to our super fun private Paper Escape community on Facebook. So the first option is the free ticket. It is open to all, and it is going to be Friday, October 2nd. It's completely free on the Paper Escape YouTube channel. The classes don't expire, so you can take your time and make all the projects on your schedule. It's going to be a fun fold Friday, so each instructor is going to be teaching a fun fold as well as a card of their choice. So if you want to unlock the full weekend of crafting, the next level up is the digital ticket. This ticket isn't available to purchase until August because we're focusing on pre-orders right now so we can place our manufacturing order. But I wanted to let you know all your options up front. This tier includes access to a printable craft kit like what I'm sharing right now. I printed out all the papers and images. So you'll get pre-colored images from, I think these ones were by Vaughn Marie and Lynn Vaughn, and you can print those and fussy cut them. There's 5 8.5 by 11 PDFs matching our retreat color palette. It's perfect for substituting physical cardstock layers. And then we have our 6 by 6 patterned digital papers. So there's 12 unique digital pattern paper designs, and they are just a printable version of the papers in the physical paper pack. You'll also get some printable digital sentiments that you can use, as well as our event guide PDF. And the one I'm showing is actually from the spring staycation, but it has step-by-step instructions for all of the classes, prep work, and comprehensive supply lists for every single class. You also get weekend access, so you get full entry to all 5 platinum sponsor classes, plus live classes on Saturday, October 3rd and Sunday, October 4th. If you'd prefer to have physical product, the next level up is the retreat ticket. This is a gorgeous retreat kit, and it ships to your door packed inside a convenient mesh project bag to keep everything all together. Lynn, Meg, and I curated this kit ourselves, and it includes a 6 by 6 paper pack, beautiful double-sided papers, 4 of each design, featuring starry skies, grungy textures, and scenic prints across matching colorways. There's pre-cut ephemera, which is a random assortment of colored images from the stamp set. They have been pre-colored by our instructors, and they're ready to use. We also have the star of the show, which is the Legendary Critters stamp set. Meg Breiter and I co-illustrated this adorable set of baby mythological creatures. I designed the little kitsune and sphinx images, while Meg drew the dragon, phoenix, and baby Cerberus. We've also included an American Crafts die set. It features tags and banners, and I did make sure to keep the size of these dies in mind when I designed the sentiments in the set. So most of the sentiments work with these shapes. Also in your kit, you'll receive some cardstock. There will be 10 half sheets of cardstock, which are 8.5 by 5.5 inches, in 5 curated colors: light purple, dark purple, gray, light aqua, and dark aqua. It's a beautiful palette, and you'll get 2 half sheets, so 1 full sheet of each of the colors. You'll also get 4 half sheets of foil cardstock. There's a nice holographic, a gold, and 2 half sheets of red foil. Next up, we have an American Crafts 3-pack stencil set. It has some fun geometric patterns, including circles, hearts, and florals. I just love these stencils, and I'll be using one of them in my card class. We've also added a lot of little embellishment goodies. So there will be some silver gray and aqua flatback pearls, a little baggie of red sequins, a multi-pack of colorful enamel dots, some red twine, and some gold satin ribbon. We've also supplied you with some basic crafting goodies. We have a package of A2 card fronts and matching envelopes, and a full-size pad of VersaFine Onyx Black ink. This is perfect for crisp sentiments and watercolor mediums. And then 2 essential tape runners, one dot adhesive and one a solid adhesive. And to wrap up our retreat kit, Lynn has included a surprise sample kit packed with random cardstock, papers, and embellishments. If you want to save this, you can craft right along with our instructors during the live wrap-up party on Sunday. So that was the basic retreat kit. We also have the ultimate bundle, which is the platinum ticket. And it includes what you saw in the digital kit, the retreat kit, plus over $250 in products from our sponsors, and 5 class project kits provided by our platinum sponsors for the classes they'll be teaching on Saturday and Sunday. Our first platinum sponsor is 12 by 12 cardstock, and Michelle Price will be teaching this class using some gorgeous specialty papers, some clay embellishments, and some die cuts. It looks like maybe it'll be a shaker. Our next platinum sponsor kit is from Pink and Main, and it includes a beautiful set of layered scallops and circle dies, perfect for layering, and there's some stitched accents. It's just a lovely set. There's also some ribbon and some sequins, as well as a little bit of cardstock and a card basin envelope. Next up is the Love from Lizzie Platinum Sponsor Kit, and it includes a gorgeous assortment of holiday ephemera. There's signature pinstripe peel-off stickers, some coordinating 6x6 papers, some specialty gold foil, and a few half sheets of alcohol marker coloring white cardstock. Next up is Pear Blossom Press, and I'm incredibly excited for this one because I've never made a light up card before, and they provided an easy light mechanism, a beautiful card front, and some cardstock for a fully interactive class. I'm looking forward to it. Next up, Jamie from Not Too Shabby is bringing her signature collage style to the retreat with this gorgeous class kit. It includes some lace, a doily, some sparkle enamel dots, a button, some coffee dyed paper, some pre-cut ultimate sentiments designed by Lynn, and an assortment of pattern paper, including a very cute cut-apart sheet. And don't forget, the Platinum kits also include bonus mystery swag from top brands like Pink and Main, High Supply, Emily Moore, Graphic 45, and many more, distributed randomly. Every swag bag is different, but they all are an amazing value. I'll show you the sponsor swag that I received. It hasn't all arrived yet when my kit shipped, so this is what I have. First up is High Supply. They have a wonderful assortment of embellishments. I have a clay shaker mix here that is so cute. It's filled with pearls, hearts, flowers, and sprinkles. Next up, Emily Moore included a little discount code on the back of that postcard, so you'll want to check that out. You'll get a random selection of one of 3 different die sets. I got the Make a Moth set Betty, which includes all the steel dies to create a beautiful layered moth. And Graphic 45 provided this Season to Celebrate rub-on transfer set, and it includes all the seasons and some teapots and beautiful flowers. We have so many more fantastic sponsors. We're getting more product every day, and these platinum tickets just get more and more valuable. We also have some digital sponsors. Whimsy Stamps, Kinda Cute, and Angie Blom have donated some digis for this event. Tickets go on sale June 1st for an exclusive early bird price. That price is only good on launch day, so at midnight the price does go up. So you'll want to purchase quickly so you can get the discount. And new for this event, we are taking pre-orders June 1st through 15th For add-ons to the kit, we have the paper pad and the stamp set that you can order individually. So you can grab an extra paper pad if you want, or you could pre-order just the stamp set and pair it with a free or digital ticket. Whatever works best for your budget and crafting style is absolutely perfect. Thanks so much for hanging out and watching the entire unboxing with me. I know it was a lot, but I truly appreciate you. I'll leave a link below to the LV Handcrafted shop. I'd love for you to head over, register, and then say a quick hello to our amazing sponsors. Please support the event however you can, even if it's just by liking and sharing our posts to help get the word out. We're so incredibly excited for this retreat and can't wait to hang out with you in October. I'll catch you on the next one.